Matthew here at an Ultifiber store to give you a sneak peek at the new eero Pro 6e that Ultifiber will be deploying to all its customers moving forward. Pretty powerful device, can cover up to 2,000 square feet. Over 100 devices can be connected. You can expect to get over 2 gigabit internet speeds hardwired and over 1 gigabit wireless if you have a device that's capable. We'll be deploying these, come in a box just like this at one of our Ultifiber stores. When you pick it up, will come with everything you need, including a self-installation guide to walk you through how easy it is to set this up. You've got your device, you've got your plugs, and really, when you get into the device, if you look on the back, there's a 2.5 gigabit port that you want to plug your LAN jack into, as well as the power supply. Log into the app, and the rest, it sets itself up. The device is part of our internet router that we supply for $9.99, and you can also add any other devices that you would like for only $5 more. If you've got a large home or a dead spot in your house, this is a fantastic product that you can use.